Maths with Shivangi Nagar. In this video session, we will discuss the last question of the exercise 13.7, that is question number 9. First of all, mark this question, very important. Again, it's a different profile of question we have. So let's get started. What the question says, a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and the height is 3 meter. We are given a heap of a wheat, okay, which is in what shape? It is in the conical shape, right? And its base diameter is given to us and the height of that heap of wheat is given to us. So first what we have to find out, we have to find out its volume. Then after finding the volume, we are given that this heap is covered by a canvas to protect it from the rain. If there is no canvas, then there might be a possibility that from the rain this wheat get destroyed. So to protect it from the rain, a canvas is required to protect it. So we have to find out that find the area of the canvas required. Now see, when we are putting the canvas on that heap, obviously where we are putting it on its curved surface area part. So the second part, after finding the volume, what we need to calculate, so the area of the canvas required, can I say it is equal to the curved surface area of the cone? Yes. So what we have to do, first we will find the volume and then we will find the curved surface area of that conical shape heap of wheat, right? So to find the volume, right, to find the volume, what is the formula of the volume? Volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and r we can find out from this diameter, right, just making half of it, and height we already know, so just plug the value and get the value of the volume. So let's get started. What is the volume? So volume of heap of wheat, which is in the conical shape, is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So if nothing is specified, that what the value of pi we have to put here. So what we are putting here? We are putting here the 22 by 7. So 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into what is the radius? So here the diameter is 10.5. So I have find out the value of the radius by just half the diameter. Diameter is 10.5 and after half of it, making half of it, what I am getting? I am getting 5.25. So 5.25 is my radius. So 5.25 into 5.25 multiply by, what is the h? H here is 3. Now we just have to do the calculation. So this 3 cancels this 3. Anything that we can cancel here? So see here, 5.25 7 times 49. Yes, this 7 cancels this 5.25. How many times? So if you replace this decimal, so what you have to put? You have to put the 100 in the denominator, and then this 7 cancels 525. How many times? So 7 times 49 and 7 5 times 35. Then this 125 get cancelled out with what? 25 as a factor. So 25 4 times and 25 3 times. So now in overall what we are left over with? 22 into 3 into 5.25 whole divided by 4. Again we can cancel this 22 with 4 with what? 2 as a common factor. So 2 11 times and 2 4 times. So what we have? 33. 11 into 3 is 33 into 5.25 upon 2. When you are multiplying these two quantities and dividing it by 2, what you are getting? You are getting 86.625 meter what? Cube. Since we are calculating the volume here, so the unit should be in the cube. So this is the required volume of this heap of wheat. Now next what we have to find out? We have to find out the area of the canvas required. So area of the canvas required is, we can say that it is equal to the curved surface area. Now student, tell me what is the curved surface area of a cone? So the curved surface area of a cone, we know that it is pi RL. But here we know the radius, but we don't know the what? We don't know the L. That means the slant height, the slanting height. So can we compute the slant height? Yes, we can easily compute. We know the relation between the slant height and the radius. What is that? It is what L square is equals to R square plus H square. So R and H both we know. We are just putting the value and taking the square root. We will get what? We will get the L. So let's move in that direction. So here first we will calculate the L. So L is what? Under root of R square plus H square. Now what is the R value is 5.25. So 5.25 whole square plus H is how much? 3 square. Now let's find out here 5.25 whole square. So 5.25 whole square is how much? 27.5625. I have already calculated here. So 5.25 square is 527 point, wait, 27.5625 and 3 square is what? 9. So when you are adding these two quantities, what you will be getting? You will be getting 36.5625. Now see here, when you are taking the square root of this quantity, okay, by long division method. So by long division method, on taking the square root of this 36.5.25, what you will get? You will get 6.046. That, and this should be in what? This should be in the meter, because all the quantities here are given in what? They all are given here in the meter form. So this should also be in the meter. Now to calculate the curved surface area, every dimension is ready for us. So curved surface area of the cone is pi into R into L. Now put the value of pi over here. Pi is what? 22/7. What is the radius? Radius is 5.25. And what is the L? L is 6.046. Now again just replace this decimal here and put the 100 in the denominator. What you are getting? This 7 cancels. 525 how many times? 43 times. No, 75 times, sorry, 75 times. Just now also in the volume when we are calculating, we have done the same calculation. 7 times 49 and 7 5 times 35. Then this 75 and 100 get cancelled out with 25 as a common factor. So 25 3 times and 25 4 times. So what we are left over with? 22 into 3 into 6.046 whole divided by 4. Again you can cancel 2 11 times, 2 2 times. So 33 into 6 point. Again you can cancel this 2 with 6.2046. 2 3 times, 0 2 2 times and 2 3 6. 2 3 times 6. So 33 into 3.023, and when you are multiplying them, you will get what? 99.756 meter square. This calculation is this. Okay. So two things that we have to find out. What is that? The volume and the what? Area of the canvas. So area of the canvas is what? Area of the canvas required is 99.756 meter square. And what was the volume? So volume was it is 86.625. 86.625 meter cube. So this is what all about in this video, in this question solution. If you got the solution, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, do share with your friends, and if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my video. Now this exercise is done. So now we will start with the sphere. First we will learn the formulas of the sphere. We will understand that how those formulas are generated, and then after that we will do the exercise based on the sphere. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you to all. See you in my next video.